Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things luxury skincare related. In today's video, I have a fun luxury skincare haul with you guys. So if you're interested in luxury skincare and you're interested in seeing what I'm buying for the upcoming fall season, then subscribe below, follow me on Instagram, watch this YouTube video, and let's just get it poppin'. Let's just see what's going on in the luxury skincare game here on Morgan Talks' channel. I hope you guys like what I got. Now, you guys, it's August. You could feel the seasons changing already. I know it's for summer lovers, we're all no, back to school's coming. And it's but the weather's also changing. I have combo skin, so that means my skin goes haywire. From now through August, my skin does crazy stuff to me. My eyes get dry, my skin gets dry and irritated, and I usually have to switch things up in my routine. So that being said, since I have a YouTube channel, I always like to try out different things. I know that's not the best thing. If you are a subscriber and you have a full La Mer routine and it's working for you, great. Stay to it. You do not need to try 1,000 different products. Me, I have my channel and I like to try different things out for you guys to review it so more people in the world know about luxury skincare and what they can do, since everybody else in the community snubs these brands. I am here to spill the real tea. So this is what I've been accruing and been already started using because come on. Come on, I can't contain myself. I love luxury skincare. You guys know that. I need a routine. I need a skincare routine more than coffee. I'm not even kidding. First product. Okay, let's talk about it. Augustinus Bader, the Cream Cleansing Gel. Right here, you guys. If you've been following me for a while, I bet you weren't expecting me to get this product, right? You guys are probably you went and got Augustinus Bader again because I liked the Rich Cream, right? I used it to completion and made an empties video and everything. And I was I liked it. I didn't love it. And I definitely don't intend on repurchasing it. It just didn't wow me. People love Augustinus Bader though. It's not a brand to mess around with. So if you're contemplating it, definitely go sample it. Didn't wow me, but I've already used 2 things of the cleansing foam by La Mer, 3 or 4 things of the cleansing gel by La Mer. I have the lotion by La Mer to cleanse my face. I am La Mer cleansered out. Of course, I want to repurchase the cleansing gel again, but then it's okay, I want to try something out for you guys. I also love the La Prairie cleansing foam. That's a nice foam. That might be my favorite foam cleanser. Not gonna lie. No, that is my favorite foam cleanser in the luxury skincare game, the La Prairie cleansing foam. That I will repurchase. I will repurchase that cleansing foam. Sorry, no, it's about this right now. So I decided, okay, time to try something new. Nothing was really piquing my interest. And then I was you know what? Now's the time to try Augustinus Bader. And I picked this up. Guys, the packaging is super luxe. It's glass, it's heavy, so sleek, so on brand for Augustinus Bader. It comes out with this gel consistency and then it turns into this cream and it really cleanses my skin. I did get an oil sample from Augustinus Bader that I actually liked, so that kind of inspired me to buy another Bader product. So this is what I got, and I've used it a couple times. No, I have no input so far, so you'll just have to wait for the review video. Next on my list that I got that I've already did a video on for you, but I'm gonna include it in this video is yours truly, the La Mer Hydrating Infused Emulsion right here. You guys didn't think I was gonna go and let this, go by without buying it, did you? Heck no. So yes, a little dose of La Mer, a little extra dose of the Miracle Broth to slather all over my skin. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I've been using this. If you're wondering if I love it, I do. If you're wondering if I'm gonna have another review video on it, I will. You guys know the real tea. Great product, great release by La Mer, and you know what? The world's needed it. We needed this release. We needed this release in the price range, and we needed a product of this caliber for the price from La Mer. I called for more accessible La Mer, and baby, we got it. So the next luxury skincare product that I purchased that you'll see is Bougie cotton pads by cledepeau Beauté. So You guys know, everybody makes fun of Bougie cotton pads. I don't know if they're being made fun of that much anymore though, because I feel like the community really fell in love with Bougie cotton pads. I fell in love with Bougie cotton pads when I got into the Shiseido ones. Then I upped the ante to Chanel cotton pads. Then I was like, all right, cledepeau cotton pads. So I got this and I actually sampled these. These are very thick. These are very like luxurious, and I don't know how many I get in here. Oh, 120 sheets. So I got, it's a little banged up. I have not used it yet, but this is how it came in the mail. A little banged up, but I can't wait to break into this beauty because let me tell you something. When I go and I just buy regular cotton pads, it's night and day. Like I have become spoiled with cotton pads. I know, call me bougie, call me extra. Guys, I'll take it as a compliment. You can't offend me when it comes. Morgan, she's too bougie. She's too luxe. And I'm like, oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. These are some bougie cotton pads and I have them in my possession and I plan on using them every day, twice a day. Rejuvaus! They did send me these. So thank you. They gifted me more of these products. Everything I paid for in this video except these products, the brand has re-gifted me again. I've used their products, love their products, and they said, do you want more? Because they enjoyed working with me and I enjoyed working with them because you know what? I like their products and I think their products are effective. And I think they're like very straightforward products. Gorgeous box, and I'm almost wondering, I think you guys get this type of packaging. I don't think this is the PR box. Like I think this is what your products come in. If this is what your products come in, this is bomb. Like this is bougie medical grade skincare. Yes, please. You're not about that like fragrance, like the extra like floofiness of the cledepeau, the extra bouginess of like the other three brands I just showed you, and you just want straight to the point, medical grade, effective skincare, but you still want that luxe life and you still want that little bit of bouginess and you still want that like high quality. Rejuvaus is the perfect brand for you. Bye-bye Skinceuticals. Rejuvaus is in the house. I do have a code for you guys too for Rejuvaus. I'm going to link it down below. I'm linking all these products down below for you guys to shop, and I have a discount code for this brand, so I'll link that down below for you too. So the products that I had requested for them to resend me is the Dark Circles and Fine Lines Vitamin A Serum. Oh, new product. Yes. And then the Antioxidant Serum ABC Repair and Restore, another great serum. I've been using this. I'm practically out of it. I'm pretty much out of it. It's like down to its last couple pumps. So they re-gifted me this. Thank you. This is just like a hero product that like is just, it's got all the vitamins in it. Vitamin A, retinaldehyde, vitamin B, and vitamin C. These are all the vitamins that has in it all in one. So like, yes, please, I need all of that. Combination of medical grade actives. So that's kind of like your all-in-one serum. This is great. I got the Dark Circles and Fine Lines Vitamin A Serum, retinaldehyde for around my eyes, because if you guys are new here, I have chronic fatigue, so around my eyes get very dark and like I just look tired. So I did ask if I can try this out. This contains vitamin A, 0.5% retinaldehyde, vitamin K, arnica, multiple active antioxidants, anti-inflammatories, anti-infective actives, great. Light, luxurious, organic base, no artificial colors, no artificial fragrances. So last but not least, speaking of eye products, because your girl is extra, let's see what she's got in this little beauty right here, because she's been on a spree. What is this? Is this just, you never know with these. Oh, nothing. Okay, this is from Saks Fifth Avenue. Now, you guys, I kind of purchase things from everywhere. I go to Nordstrom's, to Saks, sometimes to Neiman. Want to know why? Especially when it comes to like fragrances and cosmetics, is because they all have different sales. They all have different sales. Just so happens Saks was having a really good sale, so I said, you know what? Send me this product. Ooh, what is this pretty little angel? What is this pretty little? It's like Christmas morning. Oh my God, guys. It's cledepeau, but look at this. It's in this patent leather. Oh, this is nice. No, for real, this is so much nicer than La Mer. Don't hate me, La Mer, but I mean cledepeau gift bag versus La Mer gift bag. I mean, I kind of feel like cledepeau puts La Mer to shame. Well, La Mer is actually like a grained leather. La Mer is almost like a Togo Hermes leather, or let's say like a caviar leather by Chanel versus a patent leather. I don't know. Cledepeau is just so bougie to me, and I love that. So this is actually bigger too. So this is my new like travel, I think. Okay, so what's in it though? Hold on, what is in this loveliness? Okay, let's see. Thank you. Oh, there's like, it's thick. This card is thick. I love my essay. So I have a new essay. Her name is April. She's over at Saks. She gave me a bunch of barbarasturm samples. I'm sorry, but this is Christmas in August. Screw July. This is Christmas in August here on Morgan Talks' channel. This is just luxurious. Oh, oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, so we have cledepeau beauté la crème right here. Sample, sample, sample. You guys, this is an expensive cream. So the fact that I just got this sample, thank you God, because I almost just bought this full size, and I like, thank God I didn't, because now I could sample it and at least test it to see if I like it. The cledepeau fortifying cream right here, and then the la Serum, which is great also to try out. Heavy, nice size. This is 0.23 fluid ounces. And then I also it looks like I got a mask. Precious Gold Vitality Mask sample right here. Ta-da! We have the Enhancing Eye Contour Cream by cledepeau right here. You guys, it is time to really up my eye game. Yes, please. Yes, please. And cledepeau is here to do the job. Yes, guys, I'm moving away a little bit from La Prairie, and we're gonna dabble a little more in cledepeau. It's cledepeau time. We're just gonna see what she has to offer. We're gonna see just a little bit more about Miss Cledepeau, and I'm gonna spill the tea on this brand just a little bit. I'm gonna get my feet wet, and I wanna know a little bit more about this brand, because I wanna see, you know what I'm saying? Because you know the reigning queen. You know the reigning queen, my reigning queen. I want to know what the tea is with cledepeau, because she seems bougie and she seems luxe. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I have. I love luxury skincare so much. It brightens my day, literally brightens my face in some occasions, like this little beauty mite and even the rejuvaus. I'm so thankful. I love doing this. This is a passion. This isn't a hobby. This isn't a job. This is a passion of mine. And it is just an added bonus to sit in front of this camera with you guys today and talk about it and enjoy it and celebrate it. I love you guys. Stay luxe, stay happy. I hope you guys love what I got. And I also just want to let you guys know, I consider owning these products a true blessing. I don't take any of these products for granted. Luxury skincare and skincare in general, when I'm applying it and I'm relaxing and I'm in my self-care zone and I am just focusing on my skin, and for me, it's like a stress reliever. Like, I just massage it into my face and I just like see how it's all applied. And just for that 15 to 20 minute routine, I know I really take my time. Everything kind of just disappears and melts away. And it's just me and my products, me and my face. And it's just me and luxury skincare, and nothing else matters. And I get to just focus on me and my mental and physical health. Everybody, on that note, I will leave you. I hope you enjoy everything. I'm going to link everything down below. I love you. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay luxe. Bye.